So this is our Zuckle Wall Aligner. This is the world's only drill adjustable turnbuckle and is used to adjust the plumb of a Zont brace. Now the thing that's awesome about this is the Zuckle is roughly half the weight and half the space of a traditional turnbuckle, and because it's drill adjustable, you can use it for many applications like adjusting a wood frame wall. They're 3.7 pounds and we can get 10 of these in one low Zont.
Yeah, man, everything's good, Sean.
That was in, by the way.
Are you telling me this bracing system works?
That one? Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I think it went pretty well, and get her dialed in. Going down. Yeah.
That one is good. That one is good.
Coming by.
Hey, no problem, buddy.